Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom?" Par for the course. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Let's start with a story. Imagine someone playing golf for the first time. They think the course is a literal track where they have to run. This is a misunderstanding of the idiom. Par for the course means something is typical or expected. Par for the course means that something is typical or expected, especially when it's not desirable. For example, if someone is always late, it's par for the course. To remember the meaning, think of a golf course where par is the standard number of strokes. If someone gets par, it's typical or expected. If someone gets below par, it's better than expected. If someone gets above par, it's worse than expected. Let me share a story to help you understand better. John was always late for work, so when he arrived early, it was par for the course. His boss was impressed, and John got a promotion. However, his colleagues were annoyed since they had to work harder. This was also par for the course. John's promotion meant more responsibilities, and he had to work longer hours. Again, par for the course. Here are fun facts about the idiom. It originated from golf, and the first recorded use was in 1912. It's a common idiom in the United States and the United Kingdom. It's often used in business and sports contexts. It's similar to the idiom "same old, same old." Let me share some example sentences to illustrate the idiom's usage in different contexts. The traffic was terrible, but that's par for the course on a Friday. I didn't win the lottery, but that's par for the course. The team lost again, but that's par for the course this season. Here's an original sentence using the idiom. I didn't expect to get a perfect score, but getting a passing grade was par for the course. You can rephrase it as I didn't expect to get a perfect score, but getting a passing grade was typical. Or I didn't expect to get a perfect score, but getting a passing grade was what I expected. Let me share a real-life story. A student was struggling with a difficult course, but she didn't give up. She kept studying and practicing until she passed the final exam. Her hard work paid off, and she graduated with honors. It was par for the course for her to overcome challenges and succeed. Here are some similar expressions. Run-of-the-mill, nothing out of the ordinary, and average. Here are some opposite expressions. Out of the ordinary, exceptional, and unusual. Here are some related idioms. Status quo, same old, and business as usual. Let's do a quiz to test your understanding. The traffic was terrible, but that's par for the course on a Sunday. Option 1, the traffic was better than expected. Option 2, the traffic was typical for a Sunday. Option 3, the traffic was unusual for a Sunday. Answer, Option 2. Par for the course means something is typical or expected. To summarize, par for the course means something is typical or expected, especially when it's not desirable. You can remember it by thinking of a golf course where par is the standard number of strokes. It's a common idiom in business and sports contexts, and it's similar to the idiom "same old, same old."